Looks like it's cutting off circulation.
We'll give that away.
I didn't think that you were going to sit here and just leave it on. Yes!
That's the clumps.
No, it's not.
Give them like 2-3 reps.
You're supposed to pull it tight.
Yep.
You pull it real tight and it doesn't rip. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We were using it there, and you could put it on blood, everything, water, nothing.
But like you see how
touch it.
tight that is and how clean it is?
You have to cut it though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ripping it's a...
Well, then you'll be able to
I got you.
You don't have scissors on you?
Yeah, my shorts. Now you can't take that off, sir.
But,
Take
so
it to the
that,
hospital.
that'll work. That'll work with blood. That'll work with water. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we were doing it with the blood, fake blood and shit, and it didn't stop us at all.
Really?
Yeah. And I mean, there's tons of liquid and shit.
So you wouldn't use this in place of normal gauze, would you? Or would you still put a gauze pad under that?
What I'm going to tell you is do what you're trying to do. Pack your wound, do your normal stuff.
Looks like it's cutting off circulation.
We'll give that away.
I didn't think that you were going to sit here and just leave it on.
Yes! They can be used for waxing too.